Hey, it's Austin here with the Upswing Report, and today I'm going to teach you how to roll your jeans. Now, if you haven't been to the Upswing Report before, welcome. Thank you for coming and checking us out. Really quickly before we get into the video, one of my subscribers, Thiago, actually asked me to style my hair like, and I don't know how you pronounce his name, if it's Zlatan or Zlatan, but I saw his picture and I went ahead and did it. So here's a picture of it. I'm gonna run a poll, so let me know if you like the look or you don't like it. All right, now onto the video. So rolling or cuffing your jeans is a great way, and it, by the way, doesn't have to be just with your jeans. You can really do it with anything. Chinos, whatever sort of pants that you have, you can roll them and achieve this look. The way I see it is there are three main benefits of rolling or cuffing your pants. The first one is to always get a tailored look. So when you have your jeans rolled up properly, it gives off the look of a tailored pair of pants. So it's a great way to achieve the tailored look with any sort of pants that you're wearing without having to go to the tailor. The second reason is it's a great way to show off whatever footwear you're wearing. So when you spend good money on shoes, you don't want to let it to go to waste. So if you roll your pants, then it's a great way to show off your footwear. And the last benefit is it just looks like you spent more time and effort on your style, and it gives you that boost to help people know that you're on the upswing. Now, there are two basic ways to roll your pants. The first is the pin roll. And basically what the pin roll is, if you have any sort of pants that are a little bit larger in terms of they don't really hug your legs, so you can make it look like your pants are more so hugging your leg and more fitted. You just take your cuff and then you kind of pinch it and roll it, if you will, and then hold your finger in place as you're doing it so that you're pulling it tight against your leg, and then you do one more roll, and that will achieve, again, the more tailored look and also more form-fitting to your leg, and that's a great way to go about it. The other way is much more basic. The only pitfall that I would say to look out for is you don't want to have too thin or too kind of thick, I guess, cuffs going on. I would say to shoot for around 1 to 1.5 inches for your cuffs for the normal. It's really simple. You just roll them up once and then roll them up twice. And you don't want to go too high or else it looks like you're going to be wearing floods. And that is how you cuff or roll your pants. If you have never done this before, and you might be afraid of doing this, because I've spoken to my friends that were like, yeah, I should do that, but they've never done it, and I would just do it right there. I'd say, you know what, just try it right now. Roll it up. If you don't like it, you can unroll it. And usually right when they roll it up, it's like a first thing, you know, once you try it, it's not that bad and you actually like how it looks. So I'm encouraging you right now, if you've never done this before and you're kind of like, eh, should I do it or shouldn't do it? Just go down, grab your leg, roll it up, do an easy basic roll, and leave it in there for 5 minutes. And if you don't like it after 5 minutes, take it out. But I bet that you won't take it out and you'll like the look. So that's it for this video. Thanks for checking it out. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Hopefully it was helpful. Spring and summer are coming along, so you guys should be definitely rolling up your pants, whether that's jeans, chinos, khakis, whatever you're wearing, and kick up your style for this summer. I'll see you guys in the next video.